Hi, I'm Andre. One fun fact about me is that I like to do film and photography, and what I plan on doing in the future is going to RCC and transferring to Cal Poly Pomona, as well as being an electrician.
Hey, I'm Yuvraj. A fun fact about me is I've been dancing for 4 years. I plan on studying finance at UCR and plan on being a business owner.
Hi, my name is Crystal, and some fun facts about me is that I like to rehome homeless cats, and I plan to get my licenses in pharmaceutical technician and nursing at Mount Sac in the future.
Hi, my name is Ruthwick and I like baking and listening to music. I plan to go to Waterloo and eventually doing research in computational neuroscience in the future.
We are the Silver Swordfish!
We are a team from Eleanor Roosevelt High School in Eastvale, California. So our coach for this competition is the one, the only, Mr. Martinez, who is our teacher from Mechatronics 2 at ERHS eSTEM. As we are in the high school stock class, this is our ROV called the Bait.
Today, our Seaperch ROV is completing a series of underwater missions that simulate real engineering and environmental tasks. Task 1 will be inspecting the bridge. The ROV retrieves the red marker float and hooks it onto the back right bridge pillar. It then slides the cover pipe to repair the support beam and releases the green marker float from the front left pillar. Task 2 will be surveying the dam. The ROV will lift a plug from the surface vessel and places it into a hole in the dam wall. It then rotates the floodgate cover to close the gate. Task 3 will be clearing the debris field. The ROV relocates displaced marine life to the back platform. It then lifts a heavy piece of debris and places it onto a hook on the surface vessel. Last, Task 4, sampling the water quality. Finally, the ROV lifts and closes the water sampler and returns it to the surface vessel. Teams are scored based on how many tasks they complete and how quickly they finish the mission.
Hello, today I'll be talking about the major factors of our design process and our ROV. First of all, the design process for this ROV had each component be done semi-independently. This meant that due to the shorter time frame, we had to design each component with its own iterations instead of doing big iterations for the entire ROV. Next, I'll be talking about our motor placement. The motors are placed with 2 in the back and 1 in the front. The 2 in the back are parallel to the frame, ensuring that we optimize for straight speed in exchange for turn capability. The one in the front has a brighter color to help aid in the orientation of the ROV from a faraway distance for the driver, as is the hook, whose brighter color allows for the driver to see better in less visible water. Finally, the frame was made in a box shape due to its simplicity and ease of placement for each of the components. The foam, the motor mounts, and the hook are much easier to place in a box-shaped frame because it's more of a plain template.
Overall, we learned a lot about the engineering design process. Our biggest takeaway was the importance of working precisely and efficiently on this project so we can stay ahead and have enough time to practice and prepare. We also gained a lot of experience with the initial planning phase. Next time we venture into a project like this, we would spend more time in the planning phase. That way we have a clearer vision of our project from the start.
That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and see you guys very soon.